nothing screams soul's purpose like a pivot table and a mild stress rash.
You don't need another niche quiz. You need to stop pretending you're LinkedIn Jesus.
I mean, bold. But do you even like dogs? Multi-passionate doesn't mean multi-chaotic. Pick one. The others aren't going anywhere.
Now that's your niche. Where you've been broken is where you carry keys.
Pause this vid and jot down your own top 3 moments that shook you. You're already holding the niche. You just have to recognize it.
If I see one more empowerment strategist, I'm gonna initiate a solar flare. You followed money instead of meaning. That's why your last launch ghosted you harder than Kevin in 1347. What if your niche is just your healing, in service to others? What if that's enough? Google won't give you the answer. Your gut will. But you keep muting her with podcasts. Then you refine, not retreat. You're not cursed. You're just testing the recipe. Yours said, healer with jokes. It did not say, Instagram productivity influencer. That's it. Your body remembers who you are. You're comparing their chapter 20 to your chapter, still figuring out what the hell my thing is. Your mess is your message. Your trauma is your curriculum. Your confusion is relatable content.
That's it, babe. No more spreadsheets. Just soul.
You were the niche the whole damn time. They're waiting for you, not your tagline. Did this episode give you clarity? Drop your messy, real AF niche in the comments and hit subscribe. Join the Eveolution.